I've decided today I'm going to do one of those solo date things that I mentioned in one of my other videos. If you don't know what that is, it's literally, you probably do, it's in the name. When you take yourself out on a date, you get to know yourself a bit better. You just enjoy time with yourself without pressure to do anything, be anything in particular. Just you're going out there to have fun and whatever that means to you. So, and I woke up this morning, I was feeling a little bit of a funk, and I was like, okay, today is when I'm going to do my first one today. So I haven't planned anything, I haven't booked anything, but yeah, I'm thinking lunch because it's about lunchtime. And I also want to go to House of CB, although it's all the way in Stratford, because if you've seen them, or if you follow House of CB, the clothing brand, on Instagram, you'll see that they have their whole new Valentine's Day line out, and it's so pretty. I'm not lying, I want at least 5 of the dresses that they've released, or 5 of the outfits. I think I'm gonna go and try some on and see what they look like, and pick one. That's when you say then go for lunch, or I might go for lunch and then go shopping. I don't know yet, but I need to find an outfit. I'm so tempted to wear my the outfit that I wore earlier this week, at the beginning of this week, the 2-piece from Zara, because I actually am in love with it. It's just so cute but sophisticated, but it's giving me everything I wanted. And when I imagined it in my mind, it's doing exactly that. So I'm ready to go. I did wear the same outfit that I wore earlier in the week because I just love it. But I've worn it with tights this time. So after spending an interesting sum of money and a lot of time actually shopping, which wasn't my original plan, I'm now just eating here. I'm starving. I don't have the time or energy to go anywhere else. Hey guys, so it's Valentine's weekend and we're going to a hotel for the night, and like to eat dinner up in the city and things like that. So I thought I'd show you what I pack, because I don't think I've shown you what I pack for my overnight stays. I don't think I've shown you what I pack at all. Like I did a whole holiday, I'm pretty sure I didn't. Anyway, let's go through this. TK Maxx is the absolute plug for toiletry bags. Like, I have several from TK Maxx I just love. You can get like sets like this for really affordable prices, so consider that. What's in each of these? This one has my hair stuff in it. Hairbrush. This one, just makeup, powders, foundations, stuff like that. And these are my makeup brushes and my beauty blender. In here, I have just other stuff like face cream, deodorant, toothbrush, that sort of fun stuff. I also have, which I'm taking with me, I'm not actually putting this in the suitcase. These are my House of CB dresses that I bought. Well, I bought one yesterday and the other one is one I bought a few months ago, but I never wore. It's just been sitting there waiting for me to do something with it. So I'll decide. I'm probably gonna wear the one I bought yesterday, but pair of shoes. I have just my brown lace ups. In terms of what I'm wearing tomorrow, I have a pair of jeans with me just in case, but I actually want to wear these kind of legging pants I have on now with oversized shirt and the vest, which is the look I've been wanting to try. So we'll see. Other thing is, we might go to the gym tomorrow in the city as well, because it's got like a membership where you can use any of them, which means I would need to take a gym kit. Let me see what my suitcase is doing and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I am looking for my gym one now. I think I'm going to take this black gym shorts that I have. He thinks that will do perfectly. That also means I need to take trainers. This is starting to get a little bit heavy. It's one night. So I just finished freshening up my makeup, as you can see. Got my dress on, ready. Running a little bit late, but called up and it's fine anyway, so this is what my makeup looks like. Literally didn't have time to redo it.